your creative educator here, and welcome to Sparks the Flames Education, where you get great science, math, and reading content, and really fun and creative ways of inspiring learning. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification so that you can see our new videos on Mondays. Like and share, and yes, subscribe now. Thank you.
Let's talk book battles. Book battles are fun, creative ways of encouraging a love of reading, and it can be modified to suit all reading levels. Let's go. How do book battles work? Well, each person gets a book, and then you decide upon a theme or a topic. For example, you might choose to look for the best character. Book battles are interactive, teaches context clues, and uses main idea. Readers get to interact because each reader takes turn reading from a book or pointing to a page in a book that will be read. Younger readers get to practice context clues by using the pictures in a picture book to determine the context of the story. Each reader determines the main idea of each page so that they can tell who's actually winning, who has the best character. There are really no set rules for who wins. You all decide. You might decide that all the books are great, all the characters are great, and everybody wins. To find out more about context clues, main ideas, and how to tailor the book to your child's interest, visit us at www.sparkstheflameseducation.com.